He's the hero from the shadows. He's known as the Dark Knight. Today, we are going to be learning how to draw Batman. To start our drawing of Batman, I like to start with his eyes. It's going to look like two diagonals, almost making the letter V, except there is a little bit of space in between. Next, I'll add in a curve under each diagonal. This makes his eyes look very serious. We'll add in a little V shape for the nose, and then we're going to add a line on each side to show where the mask ends and his skin begins. Next, I'm going to add straight lines on each side because he has a very square jaw. We need to show where his chin would be, so I have two little diagonals and a very flat chin. Next, I need to add in his mouth. He's a serious hero, so he's not smiling. I will add a little line underneath. That kind of shows where his bottom lip is. Now, his eyes should be in the middle of his head, so I have to measure out to make sure that the bottom part of his head and the top part of his head are equal. Then I add in the tops of those ears that are on his cowl. They kind of remind me of triangles. I'll add in straight lines coming down past his face and beginning the neck. On either side, I'm going to do a slight curve that will go up and then below his face. This will help to look like the beginning of his cape going over his shoulders. I'll do another one underneath. Next, I add in the shoulders, and there I've got my Batman. Some of you, though, if you wanted to make a whole Batman, need to know how to make the bat symbol, because that is usually what is on his costume. For the bat symbol, I start at the top by the ears, and I make a V shape. We're going to copy that V shape to be the bottom of the bat, kind of like its tail. Then I bring down two lines, so now it looks like the letter M. I need to make a big swooping line on one side to start the wing, and then I'm going to make it look the same on the other side. We'll come back down and around, but we won't connect quite yet because we need to add another little point in between. The bat symbol should be symmetrical. Symmetrical means that it's the same on both sides. So do your best as you draw to make it look the same all the way around. To elevate your picture, maybe you could focus on just the bat symbol and add patterns and designs. Or maybe you could do something more pop art related with primary colors, dots, and lines. For this picture, I was inspired by Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night. I used washable markers to add in some of these colorful lines. But I want it to look kind of like a painting, so I'm going to be using a little bit of water to make those washable colors spread out a little bit and really fill in any white spaces or gaps that might have been left on my paper. I try and wash my brush in between each of the colors because I don't really want the colors to blend except the ones in the sky. Remember, this can be done with any design that uses washable markers. So if you don't have any paints at home, this is a different style of painting that you could try. Well, I hope you have a super time working on your own picture of Batman.